Okay everybody, well I put the long nut in there and it was a push fit. I used a G-clamp to force it in there, and on the outside I glued a washer just so that it stopped the wood breaking out if it got caught up with the thread, and I've done the same on the other side. Now, this piece of metal sticking out here is just part of the clamping arrangement inside the cartridge holders, and it's in there nice and tight, and it travels the threaded bar quite nicely. I'll move you along a bit if I can get this camera sorted. Right, there's the one bearing. It's in another pipe clip, and it works very well. Now what I did was I put the two clips on, the one clip on, and then put the bar in, put my level on the bar until it was level, then marked out for the second clip there, and that's how I've got the rod nice and level. So it's just held in by one screw on each bracket, and the bearing just pops in. The diameter of the bearing is exactly 22 mm, the same as the pipe clips. Well, pipe clip is slightly less. It's about 21, I think. So half a mil expansion to get the bearing in there and to sit in there nice and tight. So there you are, peeps. There's the clamping arrangement. I showed you how I made that. I just drilled a hole straight through there, forced the long nut into the middle-ish, glued the washers on the outside, and then secured it in place. Right, ready for the stepper motor construction. Right, just like the Y-axis, I've clamped another bracket onto the side of the CNC and spaced it off again to the second bracket, which is actually holding the stepper motor. This time I didn't need to add the nuts on at the bottom, because I made sure this plate was down far enough that I didn't need to do that. I got this level. Once I had the threaded bar level, I put the threaded bar into the coupler, and then I leveled out the stepper motor on the plate. Again, this is a bracket that I had to drill out for the shoulder on the stepper motor, and it's only got two fixings, but it works very well. And if I can get the driver sorted tonight, I shall show you the X and Y axes working in the next video. So for those of you who've been watching the project, if you want to see the X and Y working, make sure I get lots of luck and don't do a bad wiring job and cock everything up at this stage. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, so there you are. There's the there's the X-axis stepper motor installation assembly, and it's in there and it works. I've tested it. I tested it on the same driver circuit I had already wired up for the Y. So I just got the second driver to wire up this evening, and we'll be able to see both axes working in unison. Alright peeps, I bet you're looking forward to that.